Sagittarians, and this is the month of your birth, December. Let's see what December has in store for Saggies. Let's start with health. Love is your energy, and you're running away from it. Seems like, although this is a card for health. So, if you want to feel healthy, not only just express love, give love, feel love, but receive love. And since we're talking about love, I think I should take out the next card for relationships. Okay. Heart to heart conversations. Well, you need to have heart to heart conversations and honestly discuss your feelings with each other, because somebody seems like is going to come into your life, and this person really has a lot of strong feelings for you. It could also be yourself who is dying to share that love, give that love. Go ahead. I mean, what stops you? Love is your energy. I see love all around. This is surprising. This is not what I was expecting. But well, seems like you're resisting love. You're resisting falling in love. You're resisting accepting love. You're resisting being in a relationship in love. I mean, so typical of Sagis. They want to be free. They want their space. They want their freedom. But it comes with a price. And it's always more intelligent to have one partner rather than have 20 different partners. So don't just people nowadays want to be friends with benefits. You want to be friends, you want that love, you want the sex, you want everything, but you don't want to commit. So that is definitely not uh, how what is going to work for you. It's not going to work for you. It's going to affect your health. So you may have hormonal issues, you may have cold cough. Probably you can ask somebody to give you a hug if you're not feeling well. Okay, now let's come to finance. And what does energy healing work? See, you are going to do well. It's not that you're not going to do well, but the thing is, what you're doing is whatever you're earning, you're just keeping it for yourself. You're keeping it for your future. Enjoy the moment. I'm not saying go around spending, no, but uh, what you need to feel happy, to feel good, or what it is that you need, not what you want, at least spend that. Also, I feel that you need to avoid meat or non-vegetarian this month and focus more on vegetarian. And maybe if you're not well, maybe you can try back flower remedies and essential oils and ayurveda, or these kinds of original medicines, lines of medicine. And so it already says energy healing work. What you should do is, this is a prayer for Archangel Michael. I'll read it out so maybe you can use it. Thank you for sending me healing energy uh, to me and through me, for my own blessings and for all those around me. So, probably you would need some healing energy, considering all that I'm seeing here. You need healing energy emotionally, mentally, physically. Maybe you could take a session from Rocky. Thank you for connecting me to loving and high integrity healers and teachers of energy healing modalities. If you do need energy healing modality teachers or healers, you can always get in touch with me. I'll put you on to them. And in case you need a reading, you can always get in touch with me. I mean, you know that I am there on WhatsApp. I think you have my number, 810-887-2131. And we'll find out what the issue is and what is the solution to that. So, this was for Sagittarians. Doesn't seem like a very bad month, only that instead of just having a lot of fun, drinking away to glory since it's your birthday and you may be having parties and enjoying. Enjoy, but that doesn't mean that you need to over drink or overdo anything. So, thank you so much. In case you resonate with this, please do like, share, and I would love to hear from you. So, drop in a comment. Thank you and goodbye.